In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a WordPress website with Divi for beginners. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a website like this. Nice. And this is the footer menu. So I'll show you the blog section. So this is the blog section, and this is a custom made blog section which I created from scratch, and these are the blog posts. This is the opt-in form, but I didn't set it up completely because I don't have anything to set it up, and this is just for tutorial. So but here I'll show you how to set it up in the tutorial. Okay, the contact form. All right, so this is the contact form, but I use the Divi layout, which is the Divi template. So if you don't want to create from the scratch, you can use the Divi layout. Okay, it saves you time. All right, so I'll show you how to set up your contact form. You can add whatever pages you want, like about page, service page, portfolio page, disclaimer. All right, whatever page you want, you can add it. So check in the description below. I'll drop the Divi affiliate link and the hosting. So that's my affiliate link, and thanks for using it. All right, so click on the hosting link. Your hosting is where you're gonna store your files. Okay, so it's a system that stores your files. I recommend Bluehost because it's the cheapest, it's the fastest, and it's even recommended by WordPress itself. All right, at the making of this video, it's on sale. Okay, so it's on sale for $3.93 instead of $10.64. Okay, so let's get started. So you click on this. All right, so it's time to choose a plan. So as you can see, there is basic $3.93 right now, plus $7.25, choice plus, and pro. The difference between this and that is one website for basic, unlimited websites for plus. All right, I prefer this one, but if not, you can go with this. All right, but it doesn't matter right now. So let's click one. So now we have to choose a domain name. Okay, website, and I'll click next. Then if it's available, it's gonna let me know. If not, it's gonna let me know as well. All right, so as you can tell, the domain name is available. If not, it's gonna tell me it's not available. Okay, so fill in your credit card, and you click check, and you click submit. All right, so purchase was successful, so click create account. Now create your new password. Yes, click the check, continue, enter your password, and click login. Click login. So now fill in the necessary information and check these two boxes, and continue. Now you need to check all the boxes except one. So are you comfortable creating a website? It's just a range, but I mean, this is just like a little survey, but it's not really necessary. And click continue. All right, so here you have to choose a theme. I will skip it because we can do it in the WordPress dashboard. All right, this is your Bluehost dashboard, and you can control everything from this page. All right, so welcome to your official WordPress dashboard. All right, so this is your dashboard where you're gonna control everything. So basically your back office, and whatever you do here, nobody will see it. Okay, the first advice I'll give you is to change your password. All right, because by default WordPress through Bluehost generate a password for you, and it's not a password that you can remember. So we have to, change the password. All right, so what you have to do, you come down here to users. All right, then to your profile, then you click profile. So scroll down and click on generate password. Double click to highlight then you type in your password. Okay, then you come down here, then you click update. Now we're gonna go up to post and click on all posts. Just click here, click that, and move to trash it, because you don't want this. Okay, you want to have a clean sheet. Okay, all right, so moving on to pages. So you click on all pages, sample page, we don't want that. All right, I would like us to set up your settings first. Okay, so settings, then you come to general. All right, so I've entered my site name, which is the site title, and tagline. So by default, WordPress will have some stuff written here like hello world and stuff like that. So you just have to, you know, double click, highlight it, and delete. Then you type in whatever you want. Okay, so we're gonna click on themes. All right, so by default it's using the 2020 theme. If you want this theme, you're gonna click activate. So when it says customize, that means that's what your site is using now. Okay, so your site is active on this theme. All right, so now we're gonna take a quick look again. So put your mouse on the website. Okay, don't click it yet, then scroll down slowly and put it on this, and right click and click open new tab. All right, so now we're gonna take a quick look. So as you can see, you see it looks really different. That's why I said I like this theme. That's if you don't have any other theme in mind. Okay, so to delete it, we'll keep this one right now. So to delete all this, just click it, then you come down here, then click delete, say okay. All right, then again click it, come down here, click delete. They just want to make sure you want to delete it. And the reason why I'm doing this, I just want my page, my dashboard to look clean. I don't want too much stuff. Okay, then delete. All right, so right now we're gonna change the 2016 theme and use a Divi theme. Okay, so to do that, you have to click up here, add new, click on upload themes, then choose file. Okay, all right, so in case you don't have the Divi theme, I'll show you how to buy it. Then from there, they will continue. Okay, so if you have it already, just hold on. But if you don't have it and this is your first time, I'll show you how to buy the Divi theme. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna put the link in the description. That's my affiliate link, and thanks for using it. And when you click on that link, it's gonna bring you up here. Okay, in my case, I have a license already with Elegant Themes. So what I have to do is I have to come up here to account, then I'll click it, then I'll enter my informations like my username, password, then I'll click just to go get access to download the Divi theme and get my license to go update inside the WordPress website. But in your case, if this is your first time, all right, so click on price. You can buy the yearly access, which is $89 a year, that's US currency, or you can buy the lifetime access, which is what I have. If you have the money, I would advise you to buy the lifetime access. In that case, you don't have to worry about updates and buying it yearly or whatsoever. Then for instance, if you're gonna buy this, you just click sign up today, or if this, you click here sign up today, then complete registration. Then it's gonna give you access to your account. That is how you're gonna get your download files and your API key. So I'll go into my account to show you once you finish with this where you're gonna go. Okay, all right, so now I'm inside my account, and you have access to magazine themes, email opt-in plugin, and social share. All right, so it's not just the Divi theme, you have access to all these things, but we're not gonna get into this now because we are not using them. So what we have to do now is click on download. I have it in my folder already. All right, I have it here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use that. I don't want to download again. So you're gonna download. It's gonna take like a minute to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. All right, so I'll go back to my site, choose file, click on Divi, open, install. All right, so Dim installed successfully. It took about 2 minutes to install. All right, so right now we have to click activate. Okay, once I have my account open already, in most cases it's gonna activate without asking me the API key, but let's try and see. If not, we can just go and copy from the account. Okay, so click activate. There you have it. So this is the Divi dim already. Okay, so I have 2 dims. That's this one, the 2016, and the Divi dim. Okay, all right, so now we have our Divi dim. All right, and as you can see here, we have two dims, which is the Divi dim and the 2016. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to update Divi in our WordPress system. Okay, so what you have to do, hover over Divi, then click dim options. All right, so on this page, click on update. Okay, so the reason why you want to do this, so that you don't have to be updating your stuff all the time with the API key. So whenever you log into your DVD, your website back office, and WordPress prompts you to update your Divi, you just have to click the update notification. Okay, so once you enter your API key to update inside here once, that's it. Okay, yeah, all right, so let's click it. All right, so type username and the API key. All right, so to get the API key, just come back here to your Elegant Dim or your Divi dim account, then go to account, click on username and API key. All right, so scroll down, your API key. Okay, under your API keys, you come down here by the green, then you just have to click to copy. Okay, all right, so I've entered my username and my API key, so then I'll click save changes. Okay, or you can click it up here or down here, regardless, it doesn't matter. See, so I got the check mark, which means it's updated already. Okay, all right, so it's time to build the site now. Okay, so we're gonna go to pages. Okay, then you click new. Let's call this page home. Obviously that's what we have to start with. All right, then you click use Divi builder. Okay, all right, now on this page you have to choose one of the builders. Okay, so you can choose start from building, which means start from scratch. Okay, you can choose the pre-made layout, which is what I want to start with, just to show you how it works. Then later we're gonna move on to how to create from scratch. Okay, and clone is when you have an existing page that you've created already and you want to use it. Okay, or there's an existing page from somewhere that you want to use. Okay, but normally it's what you have already. All right, so we're gonna start with the pre-made layout. The reason why you want to use a pre-made layout is fast, it's efficient, and all you have to do is just edit and change 1 or 2 text and images and you are good to go. Whereby with this you have to start from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to start with this first. Okay, all right, so these are the library templates. So let's take a quick look. This is how they look like. That's a lot of beautiful templates. All right, so now the question is, what type of website do you want to create? Okay, then you choose from there. All right, so sorry, I'm moving fast. So let's try and take one. Okay, I'm gonna click it. So what we have to create now is the home page. Okay, so then what do? You click home page. Okay, I try using like click to see if the whole thing gonna work, but it didn't work like that. So that's why I keep saying this is for individual pages. Okay, so right now we want to create home. So for instance, when we want to create if we want to create contact, then we create another contact page. Okay, if you want to create services, you create a service page. Okay, that's how it works. So we'll work with home. So we click on home. Okay, then we click use this page. So now it's gonna load, and it says in 1 minute, but I'm gonna fast forward it. All right, so now it's done. So all right, so this is how the page looks like. Okay, so it looks really nice. All right, so for instance, if you want to use this template, what you have to do, let's say you want to change the name of your agency or your company or whatever it is, you just have to highlight the text. Okay, so let's say our name is website base. So I'm gonna type in website bay. Okay, as you can see, it's just updating automatically, but this is a complete page already. So what you have to do, whenever you're done, you click publish. When you're creating from scratch, you have to click save. Okay, so in case you want to change the link of this button, you just click this, that's the gear icon, then you come down to link, you copy and you paste your link in here. Okay, then when you are done, then you click save. Okay, don't forget, you always have to click your save in this button section. Okay, then when you're done, it's gonna just close this box by itself. Okay, but because we are not doing that, so I'm gonna click the X. In case you want to change the image, you just hover over this section, then you click on this, the gear icon, that's the settings, you click on image icon. Okay, so this is the icon, so then you click it. Okay, click on the icon, then it's gonna take you straight into your box. Okay, so for instance, let's say I want to use this one, no, this one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click it. All right, then optimize the text. Okay, for SEO it's really important, you have to describe what the text is. I mean 2 words or 3 words max is okay. Then you click upload image. Okay, see, it's here. So now what you have to do, you click save changes. Okay, then see, it's changed. All right, then when you finish everything, you click publish. Okay, but I like to click publish as I keep moving. All right, so you keep moving, saying that's how you change everything from this page. All right, I'm gonna show you how to change your social media buttons. Come up here, dashboard, then you come to Divi, dim options. All right, so you scroll down, then let's say Facebook, you just highlight this. Okay, then delete it, go to your Facebook homepage, copy the link address, then you drop it here. When you are done, then you come down, then you click save changes. Okay, now how do you change your logo? Upload, So if you don't have in your library, you just upload it, okay, from your file. You click here, okay, then you go from there to pick it up. But I have it already in my library, so I just choose it, then optimize. You know, you can write the site name. All right, then you click. So right now it's in here, okay, it has the link. So you come down and you click save changes, okay. All right, since we are in the settings, I'll show you two more settings that you have to work on. All right, discussion and permalinks, okay. So let's go to discussion first. All right, so when you come to this page, you will see everything is checked, okay, but I like only these two because I don't like comments on my website and stuff like that, okay. From here coming down, don't change anything, but if you want your stuff like comment on the settings and all these things, just read it and tick them, okay. Yeah, so this is really important, okay. Click on permalinks, click on post name, okay. So it's gonna be your site name slash, let's say, how to make money or how to create a website. That is easy for people to remember than these things. All right, then you click save changes, okay. So that's what I want to show you also. All right, and now we're gonna start creating our site from the scratch, okay. So to do that, okay, let me just close this because we don't need this anymore. And this, don't worry, when you build your website, everything it's gonna be only one home, okay, because we're gonna be creating pages, and after we'll choose the right sections to display, okay. All right, so we're gonna close this. We don't need it anymore. We don't need this. All right, so what we have to do now is go to go to pages, okay, and click all pages, because we have to go and delete that page that we created, okay. So we come down here, then we click it, okay, then click on bulk action, move to trash, apply. All right, so click on trash again, then click delete permanently. If you have a lot, then you click from here, then it's gonna choose everything once, okay. Then you go through here, then delete permanently, okay. So if you have only one, you can click here, or let me just do a UC. So for instance, if you have a whole bunch, you click here, everything on this line will be ticked, then you click here, then choose delete permanently, then you click apply. So everything will be off your page, okay. Now hover over your site name, put your mouse here, slowly right click, then click open new tab, and we shouldn't have anything on the page now. All right, so now we have empty page and our logo is still here, okay. So let's close this. All right, so now we have to create a new page, okay. So since we are on page already, you can click add new, or you can click add new from here. So let's name our page. We call it home. All right, so now use Divi builder, click on it again. So you can tell we are working on the home page now, okay. That's how you know. All right, so what we have to do, we have to start from scratch, okay. You can click anywhere in this section, okay. So we click build from scratch. All right, so what I'll do, I'll choose this, but if you want full page, that's fine, you can go ahead and choose that, but I will choose this, okay. Then click on image, okay. Then you click saved, then come here, then I'll choose a sidebar. Okay, I know we don't have it yet, but I'm just trying to choose everything right from the beginning. Then you click save. Okay, so later on we can work everything out. Let me try and center this quick. All right, so you come design, then page layout, then click on this. Oh, sorry, alignment. I'll choose right. Okay, so that's a little bit okay. Then click on save. All right, I like this style better. All right, so now we are creating everything from scratch. So what we need now, click on this box. That's now you have your image. Click on the image. It's gonna take you to your library. Maybe I can use this. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so then you just have to optimize the text. Okay, type your website name here, then click upload. All right, then you click save. Okay, so we are just pretending this is our home page image. Okay, so or if you don't want it and you want to change, you just click on the same thing, go back, then let's say we want something else. So let's try and find something. So let's say we want this, and optimize, upload. Save. What the? You see? Okay, the reason why it took long is because we didn't delete it before. All right, so normally it's good to delete first. Okay, let's say for instance we want to add a button. So we just, you see there's a plus sign here, so click that, type button. Anyway, it's here already, so you click it. All right, so then you click save. All right, so now we're gonna work on the button. Click on this and click on design, alignment, then center. Okay, all right, so then you go back here, then click on button link. Okay, so this link is for the button. Okay, so you click on link. So let's say you want them to go to your YouTube channel, you just copy your YouTube link and drop it here, then you click save. Okay, so let's say you want to change the text on the button, so hover over the button, click on the setting model. Okay, then what you have to do, this is the button text, so you double click. All right, so let's say we want them to go to YouTube, or we want them to check out our tutorials. Okay, so you type in tutorials. All right, then when you're done, then you click save. Okay, so that's how that works. And over here, when you start posting stuff, you're gonna see everything displaying. Okay, so moving on, we want to create another section. So hover over and you see this plus, click on the plus, click on model, click on regular, and what do you want? You want it depends, choose your row. Okay, I want 3. All right, so I'll call this I'll choose a blurb. All right, so I'll click save first, then I'll scroll down. Okay, another blurb, save. and here we want another blurb. Okay, you can add whatever you want. Okay, all right, then save. Okay, you go to the gear icon here, click on it, and scroll down and choose icon or image. So click it. All right, so let's click on this and optimize the text. Then you click upload, then you click on save. Okay, all right, so we'll work on the second one. Click on the gear icon and scroll down, click on image icon, click on the image, default image, optimize the text, then click load. Okay, then you click save. All right, so let's work on the last one. So click on the settings, so scroll down, click on the gear icon, click on the image default. All right, so this time let's choose something different. So let's go with this, optimize the text, then upload, then click save. All right, so we're gonna hover over it, click on the gear icon. All right, change the text if you want to and everything, but we don't want to, so go to design, go to text title, give it h2 text, and we're gonna have to center. Okay, now you can change the font, if whatever font you want. Okay, you can change it, but I'm not touching any of this. Okay, we're just using it as an example. All right, and regular weight, you can change the weight. Okay, especially for the title, you can change the weight if you want it bold, ultra bold, whatever. You just do it like that. Okay, then we're gonna just center. All right, over here you can see it clear. Okay, and even if you want to change the colors, okay, later on we're gonna work on the colors. Okay, so let's, yeah, I can just change the color with this. Okay, so let's say I'll choose blue. All right, so as you can see, the color is changed, so that's good. All right, so moving on, we have to create the blog section. All right, so we have to make sure whatever we post will display in front of the home page. All right, but to do that, we have to go and create a blog section inside our dashboard and begin to create our posts before we'll get them display here. Okay, all right, so to do so, let's go back to dashboard. All right, always remember to set up your reading settings. Okay, that's settings, reading, then make sure your home page is on static. Okay, so you put it on static. If it's here, this will not display. Okay, so you put it here, click here and click on home. Then when we create the blog page, okay, then we're gonna come back here and choose blog, because right now there's nothing here. Okay, all right, what you have here is home. We don't want home again. All right, so to create the blog, we're gonna go back to pages, add new. All right, so let's call this blog, click on blog schedule again, click on this, all right, so create from scratch. You can click here or there, it doesn't matter, man. All right, so we're gonna use full, which is 1. So let's go to the gear icon, background. Alright, so let's go with image. Choose image. Alright, so let's use this. Alright, so then you optimize it. Alright, then that's give the little description of the image. Is good for Google SEO. Alright, then you click on save. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to just work on the layout design. Okay, so sizing and spacing, height. Okay, automatically. Alright, so let's say 350 is okay. If you want it big, that's fine. Alright, and this, okay, so we're gonna keep it here. Alright, then we'll leave it like that. Alright, so let's go down. The image is not that nice, but it's okay. This is alright. So we're gonna work on the text. So you hover over the text, then as you can see we have 2 lines. This one, the row settings, and the gray section. Alright, so we're gonna work on the gray section. That's the text. It's called model. Okay, so we're gonna go in, and if we want to change the text, we just come here. Let's say we don't want this page. Okay, so we're gonna just highlight and delete it. Alright, so we're gonna go to design, so text. Okay, when you put it on, you can see it changes. Alright, so and you can change the font if you want. Alright, so let's say we're gonna use the font. So for instance, let's say we're gonna use this. Alright, just for a display. And text weight, we're gonna use bold. Alright, and we're gonna keep it all caps. Alright, then we're gonna excuse me, we're gonna change the text color to actually let me move it over so you can see what's going on. Alright, sorry I didn't push it over from the beginning. Alright, so we can choose the color, let's say red. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, or you can choose blue. Alright, so or yellow, whatever displays nice. Okay, let's try and keep yellow. Alright, so the size, you can just enlarge it. Okay, let's say 20 or 30 is okay. Alright, let's keep it as 30. Okay, and come down. The letter spacing, we can just space it to, I think, 5 max. Okay, yeah, that is if you have like a lot of words, then I think 2 or 3 is better, because if you do it too much, it's not gonna be good on mobile. Alright, so then we're gonna center. Alright, then that's it. So we click save. Alright, now it's time to create the blog section now. Alright, so now we're gonna choose our blog section for the blog post. So hover over the image, click on the the blue plus sign, click on regular, and choose the display. Like I said, I always like a sidebar, so I will choose this. Okay, so click on this, then what will happen is you're gonna have this section. So this will be for the blog display and this will be for the sidebar. All right, so I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna click on the plus sign and I'll choose blog. Okay, and I want 6 displays. Choose all sections. I mean all category. Okay, then go to design. Okay, layout, click on this and choose grid. Okay, all right, so let's say for instance when you post about 10 articles, 6 of them will display. All right, and then the rest will be old post, written here, old post. So when you click on the old post, it's gonna take you to the old post. Okay, so let's click save. All right, then over here I'm gonna click on this and I'll click on, I'll type sidebar. Okay, sidebar. All right, click on save. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. Okay, so if you want to add something, you can add it from here. So click on this subscription. All right, so you can just type email. Okay, then you click it, there you go. All right, so then you click on save. Okay, you can even highlight. Okay, instead of going through the settings, sign up for weekly newsletters. Okay, then what again? Okay, click save first, just so you're not gonna forget anything. Then you, on this test, you can just add whatever you want, anything that pertain to the marketing that you are trying to do, or whatever you want people to opt in for. Okay, all right, so now to set it up, you just have to click on the link inside the model settings. All right, then you just come down. If you want to change the text, over here it says subscribe. If you want to change it, you can just type in here and change it, but I don't want to change it. All right, so the email that you are working with, your website email address. Okay, all right, so if you are using MailChimp, AWeber, Constant Contact, or any of the email marketing platforms, you can just choose it down here. Okay, and the list. Okay, choose the list name. Okay, then you move down to fields. Okay, so the fields, if you want, let's say for instance first name, last name, I don't want the last name. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so last name is gone. Okay, then moving on. Okay, so the most important, the link. Okay, where you want them to go. Okay, click on spam protection and make sure you turn it on. Okay, yeah. All right, so when you are done with everything, then you click save. Right, so moving up, so whenever we post something, it's gonna display here. Okay, so this is how you create all the pages. All right, so the process is still the same. Okay, all right, so this, as you can see, home, blog home, don't worry, I'll change everything. All right, so now we're gonna go to appearance, menus. All right, so we're gonna choose the home and the blog and add to this section. Okay, so we'll arrange it, home first, then blog. All right, and you save. So whenever you create another page, you come back here to appearance, menu, then you click it, then you add it, and you put it under the section that you want. Let's say like contact, about us, disclaimer. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, click on this. All right, so now it's set up in the appearance section. Okay, from the appearance menu, then so all right, so now as you can see, when we post anything, they're gonna display here. Okay, that will be the next thing to do. Right, so we have to go back to our dashboard. So click on this, then we have to go up here to post. Okay, because we are about to post. All right, then you click add new, then I'll add my title here. All right, so I have like some dummy text here, so I'll try to use that. Okay, so copy, then come back, then paste it. All right, so I'll give this number 1 because I'll post a lot, like about 3 of them, just for the tutorial. Then I'll highlight this, copy, go back, then I will paste it here. All right, now if I want to add another text, another line, then I need to enter. All right, so as you can see, it jumps to the next line. All right, so I will just paste again. I'll use the same text, it's just for tutorial sake. All right, so let's pretend this is it. All right, so what I'm gonna do, actually I'll go to the 3rd line because I want to show you a whole bunch of stuff. So let's say this is all we have to write. Okay, so what we have to do now, just have to say we want to send people to a specific link. What you have to do is just highlight, for instance, this. Okay, then you click on the link, then you drop the link down there. Then when you drop the link, then the text is gonna change. It's gonna be underlined. Okay, or it's gonna give it a color of, let's say, blue or whatever color you're gonna choose. Okay, so then when you're done, then you click on enter. Okay, now if you want to add image, so let's say for instance I want to add image between this and that. What I have to do is click on the plus sign, then click on image. All right, then either you're gonna upload, or you're gonna go to media library, or if you want to insert from a URL. With this, I'm gonna go to my media library because I have images down there I would like to use. So let's say I want this, so I'll just click on it. All right, then you just optimize the text. Always remember to do that, a little description of what the text is all about. Then you click select. Okay, so this is it. All right, but you don't want it that big. Okay, so most of the time I will advise you to go to Canva and design all your images from there. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just click and hold and just minimize the text. Okay, then you can choose to center the text. Okay, or you can choose to left align. Then when you do left align, it's gonna bring part of your text up. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, yeah, if you want to change, you just click on the image, click on this icon again and click right. That means you want it right, but we don't want that. So let's go back, let's do center. Okay, let's try and increase the image a bit. Okay, so we're pretending as if this is it. All right, I know that's not, but let's pretend. All right, if you want, you can increase more if you want. Okay, so you just click and drag and hold. Okay, all right. So but when it comes to small images, I don't like leaving it like that. I like to reduce it and just, you know, left align. Okay, that's how I like it. Okay, we have to give it category, so you click on this. Then what is the category of this? So you just click add new. All right, then you add your category, then you go from there. Okay, so for instance, this one, let's say let's call this category Divi. Okay, so we're gonna click on this, then type in Divi dim. Okay, then what you have to do, then you click on add new. Okay, then that's it. So that's gonna be in the Divi category. Okay, all right, so we're gonna have to add tags. So let's say we're gonna call this tag Divi, then enter. Okay, then you can type in, let's say, web design. All right, then press shift on the keyboard and enter. All right, so that's how you do your tags. All right, now you can enter as much as you want. All right, but don't over spam it. All right, so now we have to enter a featured image, and your featured image, so it's similar to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so that's what gonna, you know, attract people to click on your article. All right, or when they come to your website, they're gonna see that image and they will click it. All right, but I would advise you, don't put an image here, because what we're gonna put here will represent that. Okay, so normally put image start from the second paragraph, or most important from the third. That's why I put it down there. All right, because the image displaying here gonna overshadow the whole thing here. All right, so let's move on. So I'll click it, then click set image. Now with this, you have to go to Canva again to set up good one. All right, because these images are too small and they're not gonna cover properly. Okay, so I'll try to use something just for the sake of it. All right, so let's pretend this is it. Then we're gonna have to optimize the text, whatever it is. The same thing we type here, we're gonna have to type it here as well. Then we click on set image. All right, so as you can see, it look a little bulky. That means it's not good, but hey, this is just for tutorial sake. Okay, so except is when you want some few lines to display under the image that you're gonna have as thumbnail. Okay, so normally you can just copy the first 2 line or 1 line and paste it here, but make sure it's a text that will intrigue people to click on your article. Okay, let's see. All right, so when you are done, then you click on publish, then publish again. All right, so when you go back to this, okay, now I have to set up the blog here. All right, so I'll click on this, click on regular, then I'll click 1 row, then I'll click on blog. Okay, and I will choose 6. You see what I was talking about before, the image is so big. All right, that's why I like the grade. Okay, so I will change it. Okay, I will change it to grade, and this is the except I'm talking about. So automatically it has generated an except for us. Okay, so I'll choose 6 articles in front. All right, and I'll go to design, layout, and I'll use, this is the full, okay, so I'll choose grade. So grade will make it a bit shorter, you see, so this is best. All right, okay, so now our articles are coming to a play. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and post another one. Okay, so we have to, since we are under post already, we're gonna come add new. Okay, right, so we're gonna go back to our dummy test and copy again. So paste it, and we're gonna give it number 2. All right, and we're gonna use the default editor. All right, and we're gonna copy, I like to copy, Control C, or right click, or you can right click and just click on copy. Okay, so you can go that way too. All right, so I'm gonna paste it here, enter. All right, and I'll paste it again, enter. All right, and I'll paste it again, then okay, so I'll just leave it like that. All right, so in this case I'll try to put the image down here. Okay, so click on this, click on that, and upload from library. Let's use something, let's use this, then enter. All right, so I'm gonna just, I think I'll keep it like that. I like the size of this image. Okay, so I'll keep it like that. All right, and let's come down. So like I showed you previously, you're gonna choose a category. We have it here, let's say Divi. Let's pretend we are doing something for Divi, and the tags, remember, is Divi. Yeah, then you enter, then web design, because we've used it already, so it's gonna keep popping up. All right, so then we go to set featured image. So let's find something for the set image. All right, so let's use this one. Okay, then we have to alter the image, then we click set featured image. All right, so when we are done, the SF we don't have to worry about unless you want something specific. Then enter, publish, and publish again. All right, so now we're gonna go back to our front page. All right, so we move down here, then we're gonna refresh the page. Okay, so refresh the page, restore. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to this article and I'll change the image just to have something equal. All right, so I'll go back here and all post. So it's good we are going through all this so you know how it works. So that is post number 1, so click on it. So we're gonna have to click replace, then let's choose this one. Okay, then we alter the text and the image, then we click on set. All right, so we have our image here, so we click update. Now it's not published anymore, it's gonna be update. Okay, because we've published it already, so that's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna go back. Actually, let me close this puzzle thing. Let's refresh again. It says reload. Yeah, restore. All right, so let's check it out. So there we have it. Okay, this is the best way to do it. Okay, yep. And then we can add other article again, but I don't want to bore you with that. Now you know how to do it. So let me try and give it a title on top. So let's click here, full width header. Okay, all right. Actually, let me change this. Blog post. Okay, then we're gonna go down. Okay, we don't want this text, so sorry, let's highlight them and delete it. Okay, we don't want it. Gonna come down here, layout, center. All right, then we click on save. Okay, now I will show you something. We don't need this. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. So click on that button, highlight, delete. All right, so that's how you do it. You just highlight it and delete it. Okay, then you click on save. So right now this is just our heading. Okay, so I'm gonna try and close the gap a bit. So you close it like that. Instead of going through the settings, this is another way of doing it. So you close and you push it up, click and hold and push it up. Okay, then if you want to change the color background, now we just click here, background color. Let's find background color. So we click on background. It depends if you want to use single or double color or image or video. All right, so let's use double. So we click here. All right, but you can come down and change it to the color that you want. Okay, so if we want this, we're gonna click save. All right, so we're gonna close this gap as well. Close it, close it, close it. All right, and let's try and save that, even though it saves automatic. All right, and we're gonna create a contact page. Okay, but this time around we're not gonna create from scratch. We're gonna use a Divi builder. Okay, so how do we do it? We're gonna go back to the dashboard. We're gonna go to pages, hover over pages and click add new. Type in contact, then schedule, then schedule again. All right, so I just click back on the pages just to make sure I have it here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to appearance, menu. I'm gonna add to this. Okay, so it's added, so I'm gonna have to click save. So then I'll go back to pages, click all pages. All right, so I'm gonna edit with Divi. All right, so we're gonna use a layout. All right, so these are the pre-made layout. So let's try and find one of the stuff. All right, so let's use this. Let's go in there, and now we have to find the contact page. Okay, so they have one contact page here, so we're gonna select this because that's all we want. Okay, so you click it. If you want to view demo, you can view demo how it look like, but I want to use it. Okay, it's gonna take 1 minute, but most of the time it's less than that. All right, see, it's done already. All right, so this is their contact page. All right, so if we want to edit, we can do so. All right, so for instance, this section, just hover over it. We don't need this section. Okay, let's make sure doesn't contain. Yeah, we don't need this section. So that's how you edit it. You just to delete the whole section, you come down here, okay? Then you're gonna delete the whole box. If you want just part of it, you're gonna go inside, so you keep going around. So we're gonna delete it, we don't need it. All right, so as you can see, it's now short. Okay, then you can add whatever you need to add, change text. Okay, you just highlight and just type whatever you want. Okay, just highlight everything and you just type in whatever you want. Okay, and you can do same here. All right, and let's see. Yeah, if you want to change the color back, the blue, you don't want it, you just come up here to the gear icon, click it, background color, we don't want this. Okay, then we're gonna click it back. What do we want? We want something a bit gray, or let's see, if you want more colors, you just click this to drop it. All right, so I want something like that. Let's see. Okay, this is far better. Okay, then you click save, then you click save here as well. Okay, if you want to change the button link, you can just put your mouse on it. Okay, right, then you change whatever you need to change from here. Okay, this is the button. Okay, you're gonna just submit button. You can just write whatever you want to write. Okay, and let's say join us, okay, then you just save. Okay, save it here, and it's just automatically saving too. All right, but we have to make sure we send them to a good link when they click it. Okay, so let's come down and link. Okay, so you click the link and you just dropped the link address here. Okay, then you click save, and that's it. That is if you don't want to create from scratch. So that's how you change everything, including email, your phone numbers, and everything that you need to change, the text. All right, so I'm gonna click save, and now we have to go to the front page and see how everything look like. All right, so this we have to refresh, and we will see our contact displaying here. All right, as you can see, we have our contact here as well. All right, so this is how everything look like. But if you want to add more stuff, you just click on enable visual builder, then you go inside to start working your stuff out. Let me try and add one more article to make this even. All right, I'll try and display one more article. So let's go back here, go to dashboard. So I'll hover over post, add new. All right, so let's begin with the title, copy, then paste. So let's call it number 3. Then what we have to do, use the default editor. Like I told you, I don't like using the Divi in our blog because you have to customize it. All right, so I'm gonna come back here, highlight, copy, then click inside the link, then paste, enter, then copy paste again. So this is like all the stuff that you are typing. Okay, and I would advise you to type everything in Word before you come to this page, then you just copy paste. All right, so this. All right, so I'm gonna add this time I'm not gonna add any image, but please try and add image. Okay, it makes the blog look nice. Okay, so what I'll do, because I've shown you everything already, all I'm gonna do is okay, so as you can see, we don't have our text and everything here. So what you have to do, go to document. All right, then they are back. Click on the category is Divi theme. So we are just pretending the whole tutorial is about Divi. Okay, so let's pretend this is Divi text, okay, or Divi article. Let's pretend this is Divi article. Okay, that's why we chose a Divi theme. Scroll down, then the tags, Divi web design. Okay, then so let's say if you are doing like affiliate marketing, you're gonna be affiliate marketing, how to make money and make money online. Okay, but this is different. All right, so let's click featured image. Then we're gonna use which one were we using? Okay, so let me try and use this. Okay, so we can alter the text and just click set the image, and we just, when you are done, you just have to click publish and publish. So right now what you have to do, let's just as you can see, we don't have it displaying, so we'll just refresh again. Okay, let's move down. All right, so we have 3 articles displaying right now. All right, that's how you post your articles. So right now I'm gonna show you how to get your plugins. Okay, so you come down here to dashboard, then you go down to plugins, add new plugins, because the plugins it add extra functionality to your website. So click here. So the first thing I'll advise you to get is your Yoast plugin. Okay, oh shit, Yoast. All right, this is it. So you click install, then activate. Okay, click add new. All right, so I want you to get this plugin. It's called Catch. Yes, so when you have a big image, it's gonna compress it to make your image smaller. Okay, and downloading become faster. That's why they have the cheetah, the fastest animal on planet Earth. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click install and activate. This is just few. Okay, so you go in and just ask yourself what are the plugins that you need, something like for your social media and all that, and the plugins that you need. Okay, all right, so let's go back to the post. Click all post, and I'll show you the Yoast SEO. All right, so for it now we have the Yoast. It says readability is like not available. That means because we haven't set it up yet. So all right, so now we're gonna have to go in. You see, so this is how it's gonna display. So what you have to do, I have a whole tutorial on it. Okay, it's called Yoast SEO. All right, so what you have to do, you have to type in the keyword that you want here. So let's say if this is Divi website or Divi theme, you just type Divi theme. All right, so then it's gonna show you all the stuff that you need to correct. All right, and you're gonna click here, then it's gonna start from there. But as you can see, we don't have anything good yet. So go watch my tutorial on Yoast and you'll go through that. Okay, and you set everything up properly so you can rank, okay, on Google. I'll show you how to change this. All right, so you can put the name of your website, okay, down here. All right, so let's do that. Then that will be the end. So you go down here, you go to dim customizer. All right, so click on footer, then go to bottom bar. All right, so edit footer credit. Then when you are done, what you have to do, you come up here and click publish, then you close it. I'm down. As you can see, copyright, okay, 2020 website bay. Okay, so that's how you change that. So we can close this section from here, we can close this from here. However, we have to come up here and just log out, and we have to save. All right, so now we have to save this. Okay, if not, you can bookmark. Just click this and bookmark this page. Okay, all right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, share, and above all, subscribe, and check out other videos on this channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.